Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to create a new project in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you want to edit your video in Adobe Premiere Pro, you have to create a new project file before you starting editing on your video. So I will show you a method through which a you can create a project file in Adobe Premiere Pro. I am using Adobe Premiere Pro 2020 version. I am using Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2020 right now, and if you want, I am using Adobe Premiere Pro 2020 right now. So how you can create a project file in Adobe Premiere Pro? Please keep watching the complete video. I will show you the complete process. So let's get started. First of all, open your Premiere Pro. So here we create a project file for our editing purpose. If you want to open your previous project, you can click on open project and browse your previous project. Or if you want to create new project for new video, or you want to edit new video, you have to create a new project. So let's create a new project. I will click on the new project section. So here you can change its name, sample video editing. By clicking on browse section, you can change its location. Otherwise it will save in window disk window disk otherwise it will save in window disk. So I will not change its location, and after that you can click OK, and now you can see that our new project is created. Now you can import your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro and start working on your project. Your project will save automatically in Windows Disk. So this is a simple and easy way to create a new project file in Adobe Premiere Pro. Please check the video description for more details. If you have any question related to this topic, please comment below. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for more videos. I will see you guys later. Bye.